Hey everybody, it's Anthony Morrison, and listen, I just want to congratulate you on being here right now. You know, you purchased the Success with Anthony program, and I truly believe to my core that this program and the knowledge and education that we're going to give you here is second to none, right? But here's one of the things that I wanted to do for you to help you jumpstart your success, is I kind of took a look at how our educational system works. And if you think about it, in college, you go there and you get two things. You get the books, you get the information, you get the knowledge, but you also get the professor. You get the coach that's going to hold your hand and walk you through everything and hold you accountable for, understanding the stuff that's in those books. What I didn't want to leave you with was just the information here in Success with Anthony. I want to extend an opportunity to some of you, not all of you, but some of you, to work one-on-one with our coaches at our Marketing Success Academy. Now, the coaches at our Marketing Success Academy were all trained by me personally. I sat down with each one of them and went through everything that you see here in this course and made them implement it and show me how they implement it and implement it the way I implement it. And these guys are second to none. They're phenomenal people with an amazing amount of information and an amazing amount of time to sit down and help you one-on-one. If you'd like the opportunity to work with one of my personal coaches at the Marketing Success Academy, all you got to do is look right below the video, click that application button, and what it's going to do is it's going to take you to an application. Now, like I said, we can't work with everybody. So we need to make sure that you're committed, that you're really and truly, that you desire to have success, that you will actually put forth the time and effort to apply the techniques that we're teaching, to implement the strategies that we show you, so that you can have success, so that we can get your success story and we can share it with everybody else, right? That's the goal of this program. If you feel like the Marketing Success Academy is a good fit for you, if you want somebody to help you start implementing this stuff today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but right now, what you need to do is click the link right below this video, fill out the application. We'll have one of our coaches give you a call, and if we feel like it's a good fit, and if you feel like it's a good fit, well, then they'll work with you one-on-one every single week to help you reach your goals, to hold you accountable for making sure that you have success. Click the link right below, apply for the Marketing Success Academy right now, and I look forward to hearing your success story very soon.